Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find all of the Starfall Shards today in Heartopia. So for me, it is August 19. I don't know when it will be for you guys, but basically the first one is going to be located near the Tranquil River. For the second one, I am going to drive to, what's the name? Vanya first. Oh my gosh, where am I going? So let's go to the beach. It's gonna be like, okay, it's gonna be here. And here's where it is on the map, kind of near the shoal event area. The next Starfall Shard is located here, and here's where it is on the map, right here. Okay, I believe this is the fourth one, and it is located here on the map, next to this windmill, and I believe it like the other one is on the other side of it. Yeah, it is the orange one. If you drive a little bit more forward. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, but here's where it is on the map, and it is the orange Starfall Shard. And I believe Doris is ahead of us. She will be kind of near the bus stop area, so right here. And then the next one is pretty close to Naniwa's insect event. Oh dear. So right over here, you'll find the next one. Here's where it is on the map. It is pretty close to Naniwa, so just place your marker there. And we have, I think, 3 more to go. We have one ahead of us here. Oh, we have one there. I believe I'm missing one more. So one of it is here on the map. The other one, just drive further. You'll find another one here. And here's where it is on the map. And I believe the last one is like right here. Yes, it is the orange one. And it is located here near the Rosie River. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.